I make my rose water. I also have it up for sale. The link is in the description. I make fresh rose water for my clients. I put the rose petals, the rosemary, and the cinnamon sticks. I let it simmer on very low heat for at least an hour. You can make it in 30 minutes, but I let mine sit for an hour. Once it cool off, then you can fill up your bottles. Make sure you add a few drops of oil in your rose water. And you can mist your hair every day and mist your face. It's good for your skin. It smells so good. It calms your nerves, help you relax. Also, it softens up your hair, and especially if you have locks, it's very good for your locks. It's good for if you have itchy scalp and dandruff. If you read the benefits of rose and rosemary and cinnamon, you'll see that it's very good for your scalp. There you go. Have your own rose water, or you can purchase from me. The link is in the description. Let me show you.